Welcome to the first episode of ASILIMENI Maswati. In this episode, we take you to Marime Farms in Luve, where three brothers, George, Bandile, and Mncobi, are building a farming legacy. In 2021, these young men came together with a shared vision to create a thriving family farm. With the support of their mother, a retired teacher, they installed a borehole, built a greenhouse, and established a nursery to grow fresh vegetables for the local market. I'm Spusiso Mgadi, and I invite you to join me as we uncover this inspiring journey of Marime Farms. And here's something fascinating. Did you know that Marime means farmer? Let's dive into their story.